Hey, what's up people? Welcome to PyTroops. In today's video, we are gonna talk about ListBox in Tkinter Python. So, let's get started. So, guys, you are already familiar with this code. We use this code to create our main window. Now, let's just quickly make our ListBox by using the function of ListBox, which is the function of Tkinter. We want it in our window, so window, and let's just quickly pack this for now. We can pass other argument as well, but let's just run this program. And by running this program, as you can see, there is a box. This box is the list box. Actually, you can add items in this box. So now let's just pass some other argument. Let's say we want background color, let's say light blue, and that's it. Now just run the program. So now your list box is in the light blue color. You can set the color according to your need. I'm very bad in it. Okay, so now just quickly add some numbers by using for loop. So for I in range, let's say give the range 500, and L dot insert. This insert is used to insert the items or whatever you want to insert. So insert, and end means it insert at the end of the list. Okay, now insert I means first one, then 0 1 2 3, and range is till 500, so it's gonna add 499, 0 to 499 items. So that's how you can add by using insert function. But if you want to add some particular thing, then how we can do it, I will also tell you. Just change the font, times size 10 and bold effect is enabled, so it will change your font. So that's how you can pass some more arguments to make it look better. Now let's just comment this for loop and add some actual items in our list box. So what do we want to add in the list box? You can, like, we have a restaurant and we want to add some items like pizza, burger, etc. So for this I'm gonna create an entry box. E for entry box and entry. I already made the separate video on entry box, how you can pass the other arguments. So let's just quickly a simple entry box and pack it. And now if I run the program, so yep, here you got the entry box. So now I'm going to create a button. Okay, so B is for button. I think it's indented. Okay, now B is equals to button. Use the button function for creating button, window, comma, text, let's say add item, because we are going to add items in our list box. So text is the add item, comma, command is equals to, let's say, add, and we have to create a function add. So we are going to do this now, and just pack the button, b dot pack. Now just go to the top of your code and create this add function, def add, and now just quickly add the items. Let's say we are gonna say L dot insert, because we have to insert in the list box at the end, end. And now what you are going to do, you have to get whatever you write in the entry box. So what we are doing for get the info, where we write in the entry box, we use e dot get function. If you remember, I already made a video on this, you can also watch it. So now just run the program. So yep, write something, let's say pizza, add item. So you can add pizza in your list box. Let's say burger, add item, and you add the burger. So that's how you create this list box. Let's say you have a restaurant and you have these three items, pizza, burger, and cakes. But now after a month you want to add some more items. Let's say you want to add shakes in your list, in your menu. So at the back end you just need this GUI and you have to write shakes, and you add some shakes in your list box, let's say shakes. So that's how you can create this list box. Definitely the use of this list box is depend upon your need. Why do you need this list box? So now let's just add some numbering on our list items. So let's I is equals to I plus 1. We have increment in I, and we define I is equals to starting from 1. So by default I is 1, and after that I is increment, and we have to make it global variable because we are modifying in the function. So global I, and now just add I here. So I plus e dot get. Now just run the program. So if I run the program and write here pizza, add item, oops, we got error for, okay, so because our e.get value is in string and I is in integer, so it can't concatenate these two things, so we have to convert I in string also. So stri, that's how we convert I in string. And now just run the program and write pizza and add item. So 1 pizza. Now there is no space between 1 and pizza, so let's just solve this. After add we have to create another empty space and then also have some add sign. So that's how it's concatenate. I concatenate space concatenate e.get. So pizza. Now just run the program. 1 pizza. Burger. On the second number we have burger. So these are the little Pythonic things you can do it. The main concept of list box is this is how you create this list box, and I hope so you understand. So this depends on your need why you are going to use this list box, but this is the short tutorial on list box. Hopefully you understand. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever we upload a video. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You will get the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.